start key here, and that pops you into the Apple CarPlay screen. Now to operate the Apple CarPlay, you'd basically just use... Hi everyone, it's Martin from Ilkley Car Audio. So I thought I'll just quickly run you through the Apple CarPlay retrofit that we do on behalf of Integrated Automotive. So we're one of their main installers, and this system is on the Mercedes V-Class van. This is on a 2018 plate, but it's the same system as what we fit to the C-Class, the E-Class, the S-Class, the A-Class, for example. The system is wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. The whole system is fully discreetly hidden, so you don't see a microphone on show. You do have a USB and an auxiliary input as well with the system, and you can add a reverse camera to this system as well. We haven't added one to this vehicle because it wasn't specified at the time. But to get into the system, you have your normal command system that's up and running now. You keep your finger on the start key here, and that pops you into the Apple CarPlay screen. Now to operate the Apple CarPlay, you'd basically just use the scroll wheel here. That takes you through the various menu options. The 8 squares at the bottom, that's going to take you into your optional icons. You can go through there and you can select which system you want. Now the whole system is also voice controlled, so you can say the obvious Siri commands and it will bring up the Siri menus. Same with your messages, it will read out your messages while you're driving. You've got the option to voice reply as well. The system to get back out of it, to go back to the Mercedes system, you just keep your finger on the start key again and it pops you back into there. Now the audio does come in through the auxiliary channel, so on your audio when you go into media, you've just got to make sure that you're on the aux. If your vehicle hasn't got the aux enabled, we can enable the auxiliary input, but you don't plug in the device to the aux port, for example. It automatically does it through the back of the edge unit. This one doesn't use the factory microphone. It does use an extra microphone, what we do bury out of sight, and it's actually up behind this panel here, but it does hear perfectly well. So if you're interested in getting one of these systems fitted to your vehicle, we recommend you either get in touch with us or via Integrated Automotive through Scott, and Scott will then pass your details on to us if you're in our local area. So thank you very much. Bye.